Hi, Keira from Anton here. Welcome back to our teacher series where we will show you everything a teacher needs to know about Anton. In a previous video, I showed you how to assign exercises to a group, but today I'm going to show you how to assign lessons to individual students. To pin exercises for an individual student, navigate to the Subjects tab in your teacher account. Then select Subjects Search, which on the computer is right underneath, or on the phone, it'll be in the top left corner. This pulls up the side panel where you can choose from any of our many subjects. I'm going to start with English Language Arts and then choose Grade 4. My student would like some extra practice with their synonyms and antonyms. So, to assign these exercises, I select the Synonyms and Antonyms topic, which takes me to the top of the page and shows me all of the levels. Here, on the left, you can see the Create Pin button with a thumbtack. I select this button, which creates this pop-up screen. We call this our differentiation panel. I make sure to select the group that the student is in. I then select the specific student under the Students area at the bottom of the screen. I will select the student's name, Zara. I can then decide if I would like to hide any of the exercises from the topic I'm assigning, which I decide not to this time. I then can decide when I would like to have this exercise due, so I will select Week. I decide that I would like this to be due next week, so I will select the corresponding button on the left side of the calendar. I can now select Create Pin on the bottom to assign the exercise to my group. You know you were successful when you look at the thumbtack and now see the words 1 pin. Now, what will this look like for your student? From Zara's account, I can navigate to the group home screen and voila! The exercise that I just pinned appears in her Content tab. Zara can also see clearly that the exercises will be due next week. Zara can now select this exercise and be led directly to the pinned exercise and start playing the first level right away. And that's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to see more step-by-step tutorial videos on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!